Hello, I'm Richard Patterson and I'd like to welcome you to this video presented by IPC Irwin featuring the colour mixing kit. So this is a great piece of apparatus to allow a teacher to project onto a screen colours. So it comes in a robust metal case, and on the front of it are 3 colour matched LEDs. So by adjusting the top controls, we can control the brightness of blue, green and red. You will need to work in a darkened room to demonstrate the projection onto this white screen or onto a white wall, and position this mask in front of the unit so that we can see the secondary colours clearly. So I'll just take up the red, and I hope you can see there's a red circle there. Add the green, and we've got a secondary colour there of yellow. We lose the green and add blue. We've got the third secondary colour, magenta. And if we add all 3 colours together, we get white at the intersection of the 3 beams of light. There are several more experiments and demonstrations you can do. We've got this colour shadow mask here for secondary colours, and you can use a range of papers, cards, colour filters to see colour absorption and other parts of this section of the specification. So thank you for watching. If you visit our website using this QR code, full instructions are provided and a list of experiments. We've also added the Institute of Physics Spark website so you can see the teaching notes on colour mixing.